Watch this guy demonstrate how sound effects are made for cartoon movies. You won't believe the props he used for Toy Story 2.